Welcome babukeli, siyazibuyisela namhlanje. Today we'll be having 31.54 odds. The first game will be in international clubs UEFA Europa League. The first one is Feyenoord versus Roma. They just give them win-win, which means double chance, win-win under 4.5. The second one is Bayer Leverkusen versus Union Saint-Gilloise. From even there, just say win-win under 4.5. The third one is Juventus versus Sporting Lisbon under 4.5. It's win-win under 4.5 again. Another one is Man United and a draw under 4.5. Another one is Ghent versus West Ham. Just say win-win under 4.5. FC Basel versus Nice under 4.5. Say double chance, win-win under 4.5. Another one is KKS Lech Poznan versus Fiorentina. Just say draw and Fiorentina under 4.5. Anderlecht versus AZ Alma. Just say win-win under 4.5. Another one is in Egypt. Haras EL Hudot versus Zamalek SC. Just say a draw and Zamalek under 4.5. Another one is from Kenya. Leopards SC versus FC Talanda. Just say the SC Leopards and a draw. Thanks for today, but I will give you quick a code for Betway if you are using Betway.